for having our Kabiyesi as honorary father and what? To become an honorary member and royal father of the club is well deserved.
Àwíkọ́nkọ́, ìròyìn àwíkọ́nkọ́, kì í fọ̀rọ̀ sábẹ́ wọn sọ ọ́, ìròyìn àwíkọ́nkọ́.
President, it's been said that in Abeokuta are named 12 Rotary clubs. Lóòótọ́ wà ní bàbá gbogbo wọn, but ó yẹ ká ṣàlàyé díẹ̀ bí Rotary club wa kò ṣe jẹ́.
Rotary Club of Abeokuta ní ṣókí a bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ìlú yìí ní 1978 and they were chartered in 1979. The first club, Rotary Club of Abeokuta in Ogun State. Àwa wọ́n ti sọ bàbá la jẹ́ fún gbogbo all other clubs. Àwọn tí ò bá tara wa dìde wọ́n lè gbé wọn wá ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n bá wa nílé ni. President, mo lérò pé for having our Kabiyesi as honorary father and what? To become an honorary member and royal father of the club is well deserved. Ó fẹ́ dàbí ìgbà pé achievement Kabiyesi gan ní program láti reach out sí àwọn èèyàn. Wọ́n ti fẹ́ draft gbogbo clubs tó wà ní Abeokuta. Ìgbà tí Kabiyesi ń ka iye millions tí àwọn èèyàn ti fọwọ́ gbà, àwọn tó ti gba mọ́tò, tó ti gba ọ̀kadà, tó ti gba so many things. I think it was going to almost 64 million. So it means ó sọ fún wa pé kí Kábíyèsí tó lè kórú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn láti máa fún àwọn aráàlú, wọ́n ní ojú àánú láti fún àwọn èèyàn. Wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ fún mi pé ibi tí wọ́n bá dé gan báwọn tiẹ̀ fẹ́ páwọn ò lè máa lọ síwájú bẹ̀tí wọ́n ló lórí ní ẹ̀sìgì àtún tẹ̀síwájú sí. Ṣẹ́rí Rotary Club of Abeokuta tí àwọn ò bá ní lè parí àrùn fọwọ́ kàn because kò síbi tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ sọ pa pé program of humanity tá ò ti touch. À ń ṣe project kan tá à ń ṣe pẹ̀lú Professor Jiboku family. A máa ń ṣe àánú fún àwọn obìnrin torí a kàn wò wípé ìgbà míì wà àwọn obìnrin wa kan wà tá a máa ń gbé wọn jàlàjàlà láti ilé wọn ò ní nǹkan tó ń tiẹ̀ fẹ́ pè lẹ́rù ọmọ títí tó ń fi máa sọ̀kalẹ̀ wọ́n á ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa tọrọ nǹkan ni àwa máa ń fún wọn ní almost 100 pé ibi tí ẹ bá lòdè ẹ sọ fún wa àtún fún yín annually àdé ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ní òpin lọ́dún kan wà 100 wa wọ́n padà wá sọ fún wa wípé àwọn tó bímọ tí ò ní nǹkan ọmọ àtúnfẹ́ gbà sí ìfàánú project wa ni pé ká lọ sí schools àwọn ọmọ uniform a máa rán uniform fún wọn uniform socks sandals à ń fún wọn lórí education lórí health bí òdẹ̀ ṣe dúró náà nìyẹn lórí conflict resolution gbogbo ìgbà tí wàhálà Fúlàní wà àlọ́ Akínalórí a lọ sí mile 6 a ní bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn a sì ní àwọn tá a tún ṣe lọ́wọ́ a tún ṣègbìyànjú lọ́wọ́ táwa náà dẹ̀ mọ̀ wípé gẹ́gẹ́ bí signature project kò ń tán bẹ̀.
Purpose wa ṣàbí manage àmà gẹ́gẹ́ aláàánú àmà ìkórè abáríbi tó kù díẹ̀ káàtó sí pẹ́ẹ́pẹ́ ọwọ́ ìjọba mọ̀ ká fi ràn lọ́wọ́ abárẹ́ tó kù díẹ̀ káàtó ká ràn lọ́wọ́ basically wọ́n ti lórí ìṣe náà ní ẹ̀kúnlẹ̀ gbọ́ pé ẹ̀yin náà pé olójú àánú náà lẹ̀ pé from here there àti rí ọwọ́ ní àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè ọ̀tẹ̀ ní agbára ọlọ́run pèpè yín nípa ibi tí ẹ bá dẹ̀ bàbá continue sí rere sí dáadáa gbogbo nǹkan dáadáa tá à ń gbọ́ nípa agbára ọlọ́run ní ìbàdàn olórí ẹ̀dẹ̀kú ìtọ́jú Kábíyèsí wa inú wa ń dùn pé ní èyí yìí ẹ máa darapọ̀ mọ́ Rotary ẹ̀yìn ẹ̀sìn náà lè fẹ́ fi ṣe royal father of the day inú wa dùn bẹ́ẹ̀ nípa àwọn ọmọ tẹ̀sí ìṣe ìlú yóò ní dàrú ìlú yóò ní bàjẹ́ àtúbọ̀ máa tẹ̀síwájú sí nǹkan rere mèremère àtúbọ̀ máa wọ ìlú ní àsìkò tí ẹ darapọ̀ mọ́ Rotary ẹ̀ nímọ̀ sí kúkúrú dáadáa ló máa wọ ìlú àṣẹ ìlẹ́dùnmá Kábíyèsí.
Fellow Rotarians and friends, ẹ̀yin olóyè mo kí yín Kabosi, Baba Balogun, Ekabo, Enyerelu, Ekabo, Enyame. I am super excited, Kabiesi, to welcome our fellow Rotarians to the Palace of His Royal Majesty Oba Professor Alexander Olusegun Madugo. And the reason why I am particularly excited is because, yes, Kabiesi and I belong to a lot of organizations as patrons, matrons, chairman, so many. And as you know, I am an ambassador at the African Union. I represent Nigeria at the African Union. I'm also a youth ambassador at ECOWAS, matron of the African Tourism Board. I belong to a lot of organizations, and I am a brand ambassador for a lot of organizations as well. And what we do all over is service to humanity. I have always known the Rotary Club, but I didn't really know what their core values, mission, and vision was until I started speaking to my beautiful cousin-in-law, Rotarian Ajoke Green. And she started telling me all the works that the Rotary Club has been doing. And I was wowed because the works that the Rotary Club has been doing aligns with Kabiesi and I, because we actually live for humanity. We like to help people who are less fortunate and less privileged, and it's something that we've been doing for so long.
I'm just so happy to see a group of people that be into humanity. It's very rare to find people who give selflessly. It's not because you have that you give. No. In fact, a lot of people have, they don't give. So consider yourself a special breed, a special pedigree, when you have it in you to give to humanity. I'm your Lord, who are your boy, who are and I will tell you that not everything that you do, you will receive a material return. Your return goes beyond you, beyond your own imagination. It might not even be in your presence, it may be in your next generation. Because I'm a living proof of it as I seated here. Most of the things I enjoy in Ebaland were created by my forebears. Right from my grandfather, who was doing what he was doing, he didn't know, and it happened, and it transfers to my father, and it happened, it transferred to me. In fact, when I say I'm a living proof, as a scientist, I can tell you that it's an evidence-based observation. It's not anecdote, and it's not, we are also I have systematic proof. We alone lesson. Ohun rere ẹ̀sùn ẹ̀wà. Ètò bá dẹ̀ ṣe láburú náà, ẹ̀ náà wà. Èyí tó ṣe pàtàkì níwájú Ọlọ́run ni ohun tí ó ṣe fún ọmọlàkejì ẹ̀. Ohun rere tó ṣe yẹn. Ó lè jẹ́ one day of your life ló ṣe yẹn. It has overridden and dwarfed every other accomplishment you've ever done. I relate to every level of humanity. Sí èèyàn kan tó ju ẹnìkan kan lọ níwájú Ọlọ́run. Ọlọ́run ọba nìkan ló sọ pé ní ayé yìí o báyìí ipò yẹn dẹ̀rẹ́ kó fi ṣe ohun rere fún èèyàn mi ni kì í ṣe pé kó fi máa brag pé ìwọ náà ti di nǹkan ìwọ náà ṣe kí kò sí nǹkan tó jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹni tó bá ṣe yẹn ó tọ́ra ẹ̀ that is your wealth ìtọ́nà orí yẹn. So and I see that in the Rotarians when I see your mantra. I've seen your all your pledges, you know, humanity is there, empowerment is there, you know, integrity. What strikes me most is integrity because we lack that a lot here in Nigeria. As Rotarians, team principles of integrity, and so I just one of your most fundamental principles. I don't see why this country couldn't be a better place. So don't just keep on saying the integrity dance on. To the glory of God, you have a club that has a succession. From grooming the young to taking over. This is the beauty. It totally encourages me and like so good, only you want to get there. Is you got it right. And it's just to continue to encourage the young people to join. Share out that in this stage, we can only pass on knowledge and wisdom and use our resources to push. But àwọn tó máa ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn àwọn tó wà lẹ́yìn wa. So if you have all generals and no soldiers, there is no army. Àwọn soldiers yẹn àwọn gangan ni a máa invest. We have to invest heavily in them to make sure that they know that these are the leaders of tomorrow.
Àwíkóńkó fún ìpínlẹ̀kè òtítọ́ àti àwíjàre ẹ tẹ̀lé wa lórí YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter àti TikTok pẹ̀lú www.awikonko.com.ng.